Hello Cancerians and Pisceans out there, welcome to my channel. As Shell Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS, Shells Running. Okay, so let's start with your reading. Okay, these few cards, they wanted to come out, and this is the cut side, and this reading is going to be right from 5th April till 11th of April 2021, but timeless readings. Okay, and this one just flipped. Okay, so I do feel in this all scenario that this is the message for you, and all these are okay. Someone is overprotective of their feelings. Now here you go. I feel like some formula over here, it's not working. Like I saw as if like a flask that is present or is used in the lab of chemistry. That kind of energy is falling on the floor. Like it just fell. The flask fell and it broke. There is certain kind of formula that is not working, and I feel like it is some chemistry that is falling hard, okay, on both of you or on this situation right now, which is not working. I do feel that kind of energy, that something is either out of control here or out of alignment basically. Okay, so let's now focus on the cards. The first here is the Hierophant, so there may be a Taurus energy, but I feel like for Cancerians and Pisceans out here, this is about your marriage, this is about your long-term relationships for some of you out there, okay, or for many of you. I don't know who is listening to my reading, but I feel that kind of energy. Or maybe this is about something that is very rigid, and something that is someone feels over here and is not ready to little bit even bow or confess something. This is about commitment. I'm hearing commitment calls, okay? There is a defensive approach, on and off possible, a push and pull between you both. It's someone who is not ready to comprehend something here. Maybe you, or maybe the other energy. Or maybe this is your situation in the midst of you both, which is connected with this Hierophant energy, okay? So possible it is about something, I know I'm right. Or maybe someone is trying to put pressure on this words or sentences here that I know I'm right, okay, or this is what I feel is right and this is what is right. But I feel very heavy that there is the call of Temperance. Maybe you need to put that, maybe they need to, or maybe this is the call to balance out each other's connection here, which is, I feel in this energy vibe overall, is that it's not here. I cannot see it, okay? Right now, it's not here. Because I saw like chemistry falling hard. Flask is breaking, which is that you need to work on this formula. The possible you or the other energy, however. But I feel like something is breaking, okay? It's just like I have a crystal bowl or crystal glass, and something is in there and you're trying to give to the person. Maybe they're defensive and they're not taking it. So this thing is not working. And I heard like they don't want it from you. Okay, I don't know how it goes. Recording time 0303. Maybe they don't want this connection, maybe they don't want this reunion, maybe they are just they just figured out some things, maybe there's a disappointment, something that they don't want it from you anymore, okay, for whatever reason happening. We're going to dig deep here. First we're going to take this and then this, okay? But with the Temperance, there may be again a water sign here. Maybe a Sagittarius, but a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I feel this is your vibe, and there may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and Sagittarius. I also feel this is about how to bring things together. Again, this is about infinity connection, yin and yang energies as well. This may be something that how to bring back something, okay? Bring back something to work it out. And this is what the energy is. Okay, so let's see. These two cards wanted to come out, and this is the Star. So this is something that is already in the destiny, or was already in the destiny, and you are in this flow. This is an Aquarius. So some of you might be dealing with an Aquarius, and here you go. Okay, you are here. Okay, these two cards came out and they wanted to stick together to come out. So possible a Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy, of course, but I feel this is your energy, and you might be dealing with, for some of you, this may be an Aquarius particular, or this may be any sign, but this is a destiny call. You people are supposed to meet together. You're supposed to meet, okay? I'm not saying they're married. Maybe you are already, and there are some issues in the situation or your commitment or here. But there's a commitment problem, okay? Confession problem as well. But I feel like the chemistry, you want to give something to this person, I feel. And I feel like they're already having a lot of chemistry in their life regarding some other things or other person, or maybe other suitors. If this is the situation, you'll know that. But I do feel that you want something from this person, and this something is most probably emotions and attention. And I feel they may go vice versa, but I feel like they are already working on their own dreams, own destiny, and they know they have a lot of water. Okay, so I feel Aquarius, water bearer, they have their own earthen pot here. But I also feel in this season, okay, of Aries, there's a lot of I feel though actions will be taken from either side. I don't know who will take it, but I feel like even if the action is being taken, something is falling hard. So I feel the chemistry. Maybe you are falling for someone here, chemistry, you're feeling deep chemistry here, but it's not working because this person is not interested. I feel they are not looking at you, okay, in the space. You might be looking at this person, however it goes, vice versa, but I feel this person is not looking at you. We're going to dig deep here, okay? Yeah, please ignore the sounds. I feel like you're looking at them, but they're not, okay? You really want to balance something with this person. It's like a come around energy from either side. So if it is come around energy from your side or their side, according to M0606, it's a resurgence. Harmony that someone does want with the person, they want to make it work here. Something that they want to make it work, oh God. And I feel this is about sincerity, to get back in control or to get back the situation, to get back that chemistry, to work on a certain formula here. Now here you go, you have the bottom energy here, death. Maybe a Scorpio is going through such a phase, and on the other side it's 2 of Wands energy. I feel that you require that attention, you require that connection, or you want to get back in contact with the person. However, whatever is going here, this is about prioritizing and visioning the future. So this is also the ending. Something ended and you want this back, or maybe you want a mending here. We're going to see it. Yeah, someone does want to, this may be an apology as well. Knight of Chalices. I feel like you want the change in the ending. You want the change in the ending, which is about you want to work on the formula. This may be your overall energy, okay? And because we took out already 2 cards here, I feel your overall energy is about to get in contact with the person, especially with the 2 of Wands energy here, okay? Passion is running deep here. I'm going to shuffle this deck and let's see what is coming here, because with this overall energy, you're concerned, you want someone's attention here, and you desire this connection to get back in close proximity. So you're working on some formula and you need to put some energy here, okay? Okay, so I feel like something was draggy maybe in your life. You were having loads of responsibilities of some sort of work or anything, and this did this situation to let go. I mean, you never did it, kind of, you did nothing, kind of, or they did nothing, kind of, but it was not properly said and done. There is something which is open in the mid, and I literally saw with a bang on the floor, something fell, and it was like, now it's not gonna work, kind of. Movement happened on both the sides. It was happening like a parallel something, okay? And now you're astonished with the fact that this person is unavailable emotionally. Okay, let's put that. So there was a certain kind of attraction or attention that just broke, like something broke, and the glass is no more available, no emotional availability here. Maybe this person is unavailable, you might be unavailable, and all in all, I feel maybe you're falling hard for someone, if that makes sense, okay? Because these things can go for many other things in a row. So you need to put effort to bring back something on track. Oh my God, these are so many. I can't take it. This card wants to come out. I go with the flow. You have Knight of Swords energy. Definitely there is some air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is very prominent, okay? I feel like it's going to be, the takeoff is going to be difficult because I've seen already the formula failed, okay? Formula is failing. Either to get in contact again, the formula is failing. But there is also something that happened, okay? Someone took off. Someone took off. You took off, they took off, or you never noticed that they took off. Makes sense? Someone took off and they are not there. And they're not even looking. They're not looking elsewhere. Excuse me, the sounds, work going on. There's a lot of traffic in my area, guys. I can't help it. But I'll be loud, okay? I'll be loud. So let's see. No. Weird things happening, I'm telling you. Look. This was near to 9 of Cups energy, okay? Yeah, it was near 9 of Chalices, 9 of Cups energy. I'm not taking this card out, but something that you want back. This is this thirst. This is something, the contact, okay? 7 of Pentacles. Maybe it's been long, maybe patience. You are keeping patience, you're holding in something, but there's also whisper. There's certain kind of whisper that might be telling you, okay, there's a lot of patience I see that someone is keeping. We're going to see what kind of patience, but I feel like you haven't heard from this person. You haven't, because they took off. Look. Yeah. Ace of Swords energy in your future. Someone's gonna initiate. There's going to be initiation. But you need to know that the chemistry is not there, or it was a hard fall, some formula that never worked out, or the same formula will not work. That's why I say Eight of Chalices. Someone who is no more getting bothered, okay? And I feel like you're missing someone, and that's why there's going to be a call. And maybe you'll end up doing it. You'll end up, or they'll end up, but I feel like it's more of your energy because they're not here. I don't see in this frame. This person is not here in the frame, okay? They are just taking care. Maybe you are a single mother, you have a child, if that is the situation, because you had the Hierophant card. Maybe you are a single father here, howsoever it goes for you, okay? If it doesn't pertain with you, just don't force yourself. Tarots will just tell you the path. I'm a messenger here. But I feel in your future, there's going to be break of the term, break of the line, okay? And there's going to be something that is going to initiate the conversation. There's going to be some information that you are seeking from the person who is away from you, who walked away, detached. Someone is not having those feelings at all right now. 12:12 recording time. This may be your twin flame. Especially when there is a lot of time frames falling apart. Okay, not all. There are stalemates as well. But for the twin flames and proper soulmates connections here, however you figure that or put in your chart, sometimes people go far. They choose their path and then they talk and then they come back at times. But here I feel in your frame, person's presence is near to negligible because there is no effort from their side. Okay? And why? You know it. You know it. Why? Okay? There is someone you don't want to let loose. Maybe this is a female vibe, maybe this is male vibe, but there is the Empress. So you people are not ready to let go of this person here. But that doesn't make sense if you're not talking. Okay? 9 of Chalices. You want someone back. You're calling that they call. You have, I'm sorry, let me fan it proper. You want them to call you back. You want them to bounce back, but they're not doing it. I don't see this person in the frame to be honest. And it's going to be the highest energy that you don't have a formula here or the proper, there is no, let's put that. There is no proper, I'm sorry, I'm unable to get that word in the chemistry, that you have something that is a reaction and that you cannot reverse back. So something happened here and they moved. So they took off. And now you want something to reverse back, which is not happening. There are some formulas that once they start, they don't go back. Okay, they'll reach to their destiny. So they have started their journey. Okay, and that's why you're astonished. That's why I feel that is the thing here. That's kind of a formula you're working here, huh? I feel the formula is not working. Something happened. The Tower. You never expected a certain change in certain person's behavior or vice versa. They might not have expected that, but something happened and it fall apart. Okay? But you want to make things right. You are this person. But I feel like they're not in the frame, so possible you want. I said so in the startup. This is 7 of Wands energy. I said so that there are defenses up, on and off situation. There are trust issues. I feel that someone doesn't believe someone here, and that's why they no longer trust someone's emotional words as well. But I feel that you want to talk to this person who is near to unavailable. I feel like it's like negligible, okay? Their action is negligible, the effort is negligible because of whatever happened between you both. There may be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in someone's chart or a cross watcher, however it pertains with you, maybe in your or in there. Or maybe there is someone who is defensive, or they're pushing you away because of someone. They have suitors, they might be having choices, they may have attention, they took off. Possible, or possible this is something that you are figuring out about yourself, to give them the sunflower and to let them notice you. And they're just busy. Then they have so many things here going that they're not looking at you. They're lovers. Yeah, they may have a choice. Choice because it is deserving, like they deserve it because they need to, or you deserve it and you need to. But I feel with the lovers, there may be a Gemini, but with the lovers, I feel like someone's focus is on them or is on you. Now here you go. If you are focused, you are looking very deep to their situation, to their place, to their status. You want someone back here. Let me put that straight. You're working on the formula here. You want lovers to be together. Okay, you might end up with this person, and this is going to go with a lot of confusion, with a lot of stuff here, with a lot of challenge or competition as well. 3 of Wands energy. You want to get back together with this person because you can't and you don't want to lose them. Someone over here doesn't want to lose the other energy here. Look, maybe you're already in certain kind of connection, or just the involvement, or just the talk. I feel like they're not even looking to the ring. They're not, okay? For some cases, there may be a new love in your life. You're getting engaged because I feel if you are having certain kind of healing here, you might be healing from the old love and old situations, and then you took off. This may be your personal aura. You took off and then you are with someone, you're talking and you're making plans, and this may be new love. Now, if this goes for you, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Okay, so some of you are coming out of the engagement or the involvement that was not working. For some cases, yeah, there's a formula. I do see that kind of energy. Okay, this is about coming back together. Twin flames or soulmates coming back together. And for many of you, it is, I feel like you really want to be emotionally wanting back someone. Now it is safe for you to love. Possible you are getting ready. Possible now you want it because you feel that it fell hard. Something is in your mind that is talking to you about what went wrong between you and me, like you and that person. I'm sorry for that. So open your heart and give and receive. To give and receive the highest energy of all. No, not so many. Let's see. Please, soul and stress, give us the card. No. They're not giving me the card. Okay, they gave it. So romantic feelings. Okay, so I heard the words you haven't realized and it's there now. But romantic feelings is coming reverse though. I'm going to give you the message anyhow. You have your feelings are real and worth exploring, okay? Something you haven't realized till now, and now you're going to realize, but that's a mess, okay? Something regarding romantic feelings, it's not working. Or you need to work on your formula here. Keep an open mind. You need to work on formula. Let's say I'm going to use my own deck here. Let's see some extra messages, what they have for you. I feel like many people are here. They are trying to work things out, to remove the confusions, to look forward, to be focused, to get into the world, because that's what your energy is, to get back emotional balance. So many. Be called universal power, souls and spirits. Okay. So you have this question, do they care? Or maybe this is from that person's side, do they care? But there's this question. Okay, for most of you, not to keep you confused, you have that question, do they care? Because you are having the eye on that person, eye on that connection, eye on that to get back, to look. You're seeing the stuff, the activity. Okay, so do they care? Something is happening between you both. Okay, this card is flipping, but I'm not going to take it. Let's see the attached card. Okay, there's a tremor. So something is happening between you and this person. There's a surprise call as well. Now for some of you, you may end up, because you want to ask, because there's Ace of Swords as well coming in, you're missing someone. You're missing someone, and then may go for vice versa, but you're missing someone, and this is the message. You lit up life. So maybe you're going to ask that you lit up my life here. Okay, that's why you are seeing to the person here as an Aquarius. Okay, let me remove this. Let's look at it. You're seeing to them as a light. This wolf will sniff. So if this is someone will search for their partners for life. Okay, so this is someone who is sniffing you. There may be a male lead here, you, because there's also male energy here for some specific. But if it is not, however it goes, there's someone who's sniffing someone. Okay, they're trying to figure out where they are. You lit up my life. Okay, this wolf will sniff. So you or they. Okay, the last card, and here we go. But there are two. Time to believe. Something that you need to believe. Time to believe. You need to believe that this formula is not working, or you need to believe that I have to put effort to get back with someone. Okay, mirror. You're mirroring this person. You want them back, or however it goes. Time to believe the mirror. Time to believe your thoughts. Time to believe that yes, this is what is I want. You're seeing someone like a reflection. Okay, oh my god, cracking up. Someone is opening. So this may be elimination. This may be awakening of the other half. You may be the other half. They might be the other half. But however it goes, this is about the call to break up, crack up. Okay, someone, oh my god, I talked about the crack. I mean, the flask is breaking, which is about the cracks. It's a little bit, boom, the formula is not working. So you need to work, put an effort to get back in contact with a certain someone. And that's what you're doing here, okay? I hope this is going to help you guys. Take care. I love you. And see you soon. Bye.